Hey guys, today we're going to talk about turning a lead into an opportunity in ServiceMonster 6. Alright, so follow me to Leads in the Navigator. Make sure you're in Leads List. This is where we're going to get the chance to turn a lead into an opportunity. So we'll say this is a new lead in my system, just received it, so I click on it. Here it gives me the opportunity to decline, accept with opportunity, and accept. I'm going to click this Accept with Opportunity. This brings us to the Opportunities page. Now here's where we create. Notice the options on the sidebar under Delete and Save. Here it gives us a chance to change the name of the opportunity. It's as simple as typing in what you want and clicking Save. You can also assign this opportunity to a specific account, assign the lead source, assign the owner to the opportunity. So if there was a salesperson involved, you might select their name here. You can also give it priority. Is it high or is it low? There are many other options as you see, but what I want to bring your attention to is the value, probability, stage, and status. Value, which is aptly named, gives a value to the opportunity. What is this job potentially worth? $2,500 or, let's say, $5,000. The probability is a projection of what the chances are for this job to turn into actual work. Is it 75%? 50%? So why are these important? This tells our system their pipeline value. So in this instance, it would be $2,500. It'll add this information to any graphs you may look at later. Stage refers to how progressed the opportunity is. Keep an eye out for a training video on the Kanban feature in ServiceMonster 6, so you'll learn more about this then. The status refers to, like it says, the status of the opportunity. Is it open, won, lost, or abandoned? Don't forget that once you're done over here, to click Save. So we know that with anything in sales, notes are super important. That's why we provide this accessible way to keep notes on the specific opportunity. You can write whatever you want. And it just drops it below. You can also view your activities or add a new one from the All Activities tab. One more thing I want to point out is that you can add orders to this Opportunities page. Simply click the plus button, and it brings up the quick add. All right, so there's the brief introduction to creating opportunities in ServiceMonster 6. Remember, if you have any more questions, you can rewatch this video at any time or contact our amazing support team. For more online training, please visit our website at www.servicemonster.net/help. We are here to help you.